In this short video, I'll guide you step by step on how to change your profile picture on Rednote, the popular TikTok alternative that's making waves in the social media world. Whether you're refreshing your account's look or rebranding, updating your profile picture is a great way to express yourself and attract more followers. First, open the Rednote app on your iPhone or Android device. Then, navigate to your profile page by tapping the Me option in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once on your profile page, open the profile editor by selecting the Edit Profile button. On the profile editing page, you'll see various customization options. To change your profile picture, tap on your current photo. You'll then be presented with several options: upload new avatar, create AI avatar, and create avatar accessory. Since I want to use a picture from my gallery, I'll choose Upload New Avatar. This will open my photo gallery, where I can select the new profile picture for Rednote. After selecting the photo, you can zoom in or out to adjust it as needed. Once you're happy with the selection, tap the confirmation button in the bottom right corner to set your new profile picture. Finally, save your changes, and that's it. Your Rednote profile now has a fresh new look. Thanks for watching, and enjoy.